Let's talk just a little bit about stretching because this has come up at our past couple of talks. Like where does stretching fit in? I think, most of us probably grew up in circles where it was like, you stretch before you work out. And I remember several years ago, again, here at this gym, I remember Ryan Miller said that he didn't think it was beneficial to stretch or elongate muscles before moving them and asking them to do these kind of tight movements. And now, we see most fitness professionals that understand the latest and greatest of what's happening in the fitness world. We don't do a lot of static stretching before working out. What we do is dynamic stretching. So dynamic stretching is basically it's movements that are almost mimicking what it is you're going to be doing during your resistance training and or your workout, and maybe just a little bit exaggerated. So if I'm doing some squats for my workout or for my resistance training, then maybe I do some air squats, or maybe I do some jumping squats, or maybe I do some lunges or some knee raises or something like that. The static stretches are the things where you would actually, try to elongate, like a touching your toes or doing some quad stretches or something like that. So the recommendation is not to do static stretching before deliberate, intense workout sessions. Do dynamic stretching as part of your warm-up process because it's helping you reinforce the signal and the pathways for the movements that you're about to do anyway. And then if you wanted to, you could do static stretching after a workout because that's when your muscles are nice and loose and you got a really good blood flow and all your joints and ligaments and things are nice and loose.